The XH-M609 is a DC voltage protection module, mainly used to protect batteries from over-discharge and over-voltage. It automatically disconnects your load when voltage goes too low. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to set up the module using its buttons. It has 4 main functions: low voltage disconnection, reconnection voltage, reconnection delay timer, and input voltage calibration. These 2 buttons are used to adjust the settings. For testing, I've connected a variable DC supply to the input and a 12V bulb to the module's output. To calibrate the input voltage, press and hold this button until the display starts blinking. Then, use the buttons to adjust the voltage. This step is important to make sure the displayed voltage matches the actual input voltage. Now, the module's display voltage is set to match the input voltage. Both the input voltage and the displayed voltage should be the same. Here, it is 12.7 volt as measured by the multimeter. To set the low voltage cutoff, quickly press this button twice. Then, use the buttons to adjust the low voltage disconnection level. I've set the low voltage cutoff to 11 volts, and I'm using a variable power supply to test the module. The module cuts off the load exactly at 11 volt, which is the value I set. This means the load is disconnected at 11 volt. So, when connected to a battery, it prevents over-discharge by cutting off the load. To set the reconnection voltage, quickly press this button twice. Then use the buttons to adjust the value. Keep in mind, this value is added to the low voltage cutoff. Here, I've set the reconnection value to 1 volt, which means the module will reconnect the load at 11 volt plus 1 volt equals 12 volt. As expected, the module reconnects the load exactly at 12 volts. Long press this button to set the reconnection delay time. This means that when the voltage reaches the reconnection value, the module will only reconnect the load after the set delay. Use the buttons to adjust the time. On the display, 1 means 1 minute, and you can set the timer accordingly. Now, I've increased the voltage using the variable power supply. When it reaches 12 volts, the module will reconnect the load only after 1 minute. As expected, the module reconnected the load after 1 minute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video and subscribe to my channel for the latest updates.